Alright, so just a quick short video discussing my each and every trade that maybe I will take, maybe not, on commodities, that is crude oil, gold and silver, and if I am finding any setup or not, discussing each and everything in this video. So let's get straight to the point. Right now I'm on the gold's daily time frame chart, and if you can clearly see right now, the gold is just incessantly pumping towards the upside, and right now it is at an all-time high, and I'm pretty sure the gold's price is already overvalued, a lot of overvalued. So from here I can easily expect a dump towards the downside, but this is the most trickiest part, that no one knows where the price can go. The price can reach again a new all-time high, or maybe it can crash from here. Anything can happen, because right now the price is at an all-time high, so this means there are no previous levels to take a trade on. There are no previous levels to take in consideration or while doing some analysis. So it is very risky right now to take any trade. Yes, I can draw Fibonacci here, but obviously it is pretty much very risky, and still the Fibonacci can be accurate sometimes, can be not. I mean, if I was going to take a very risky trade on gold, then definitely I would have entered in a short position right now, but as of now I'm not taking any trade on gold, neither a long and nor a short trade. Right now it is better for me just to wait right now on gold, because it is at an all-time high, and no one knows where the price can start to reverse from. So it is just better to wait right now, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing on gold right now, and I'm staying away from gold because obviously there are no levels to take a trade, and I will wait for the price of gold to start dumping towards the downside heavily. Then I can maybe enter in a long position if I see a good setup, but for now I'm avoiding gold. About silver right now, ZAG USD XAG USD. So right now silver is not at its all-time high, and it made an all-time high somewhat over here, I would say approx on October last year, but right now it is struggling to break the levels towards the upside. I hope you remember we entered in a long position. I personally entered in a long position, not you. Please don't copy trade me, and whenever I say we entered, this means that I made a video about it publicly, that I am entering in a long or short position, explaining my trade, my analysis behind it. But don't copy trade me, instead learn from my analysis, practice and do your own trading, and don't be dependent on someone else. Okay, no financial advice at all. So right now on silver, the price of silver is struggling to break towards the upside. Well, the price of silver is somewhat near my level, but am I entering in a long position or a short? Well, to be honest, no. I did had an opportunity to enter in a long position on silver somewhat over here. This was a very good level. I hope you can clearly see this purple zone from $28 to $28.3. This is a very important support for silver, and the price did came here, but I missed this move. I was not aware of this move when it was happening. It was basically due to some tariff reasons only, the whole global trade war and the tariff reason. That was the main reason that the price of crude oil and silver, majorly crude oil and silver, dumped towards the downside heavily. But I missed this move, and right now I am not taking any trade on silver. Why? See, I can enter in a short position right now because the price of silver is near my resistance level, but I'm not entering in a short position because gold on the other hand is at its all-time high, and as I said that no one can predict where the price will go when it is near its all-time high. It can make a new all-time high, or it can start to crash, and generally gold and silver are directly proportional most of the time. So meaning that if gold pumps, then silver also pumps, and yeah, that's why I'm not entering in any silver trade also. Basically on gold and silver right now I'm on a safer side, and I'm not taking any trade. maybe if I want to take a risky trade, like very risky trade, then I will put a small amount in gold and silver according to the situation at that moment. But as of now, I'm not taking any trade on silver. Let's see what happens. Basically, I'm just waiting for the price of gold to crash towards the downside heavily so that I can find an opportunity to enter in a long position on gold, and same is with silver as well. Talking about crude oil right now, so right now I am on the US crude oil chart, not the UK Brent oil, and I hope you can clearly see we have taken plethora of trades in the past and most of them all were profitable, and I hope you learn from these trades. Also right now, as you can clearly see, the last trade we took was somewhat over here near March, and it went pretty well, I would say. And after that, the price of crude oil started to crash incessantly, like I mean in just 1 to 2 candles the price of crude oil dumped all the way down till 10%, 20%. And basically right now, see, if I zoom out, the very important level for crude oil is this purple support zone. This is a very important support zone for crude oil, from $67.2 approx to $68.14 approx. This is a very important support and resistance purple zone for crude oil. And as you can clearly see, the price of crude oil has done a breakdown of this zone, and right now it is struggling to pump towards the upside. Yes, there are few other levels as well in between, and these are also important levels. And see, I will be really honest, crude oil depends on the global macroeconomic factors and more of fundamental analysis on crude oil. So basically, if you want to take a trade on crude oil, it is better to keep an eye on what is happening throughout the world, all the macroeconomics and global news. Like for example, one tariff news, you can clearly see minus 20% in 2 days in the price of crude oil. And that's why I'm not taking any trade in crude oil as well, because right now the conditions are very uncertain, anything can happen. And also the price of crude oil is below my resistance zone. I'm waiting for the price of crude oil to come near this purple zone, either a breakout or we can see some rejection, then only I will take a trade, because this is a very important level right now. And until and unless the price of crude oil is below this level, I'm very scared for it, and it is better for me not to take a trade and just wait right now. Yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand. This is a quick short video dedicated to commodities especially, and as you can clearly see, I'm not taking any trade neither in crude oil, gold and silver, because these three assets are typically related to I would say higher chances, and what's that correct English word, most of the times they are related towards the macroeconomics and global factors rather than technical analysis. If I find a good setup, then definitely I will enter according to my technical analysis. But as you can see, currently the uncertainty throughout the world, and it is very risky for me to take a trade, especially in gold when it is near its all-time high, or crude oil when it is below its important resistance zone. So I will wait and find a good entry, then only I will take a trade. I will definitely inform you guys on my Twitter as well, and also on I'll make a dedicated video as well. But don't copy trade me, and no financial advice. If you want to trade crude oil, silver or gold, then only trust a legit and safe broker. Do not fall for any scams. And I was promoting XNES for quite a while, but I stopped promoting it. It has been quite some months after I stopped promoting XNES, because I don't think it is a very good broker. It is kind of shady, and that's why I stopped promoting XNES for now. I will find a good broker to promote. If you guys want, do comment below, or else you can just go on Google and create an account on any forex or commodity broker as you want, but do not fall for any scams. Many of them are scams. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Nothing in Bitcoin and crypto also. Market is already sideways. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.